Another one we have is legal status of lunatic. So lunatic is incapable of entering into a contract. The burden of proof here falls on the mentally afflicted or mentally affected person themselves, that is the lunatic. Lunatic person is also immune from criminal liability under provisions of IPC. If a person wants to claim that I am mentally unsound, I was not able to distinguish between right and wrong, or I was not able to understand that what I'm doing is a crime. In such cases, the person has to prove that. Like we see medical reports would be submitted that, see, I'm taking some, I'm consulting some psychiatrist for the last 1 year. I'm taking these medicines. These are the medical reports. And this is what proves that, yes, I am having some mental illness, and it is of that extent that I could not even recognize or could not even realize that what I'm doing is a crime. So what court is going to see is that it's not that a person is lunatic means he is completely immune, because there are different stages of unsoundness of mind also. So what court is going to say is the unsoundness of mind of that extent that the person was not able to differentiate between right or wrong, that he was not able to realize that what he is doing is a crime. Little bit of mental problem, anxiety problem, those cannot be, taken as a defense. So those things also need to be proved, but otherwise, if a person is able to prove it, he will not be held liable under it. Okay. Yes. And even like in case of Indian Contract Act section 11, it talks about the qualifications that we need to have in order to enter into a valid contract. That also mentions it clearly. If a person is of unsound mind, that contract itself is not valid, right? So if a person do not want to perform a contract, he had entered into it, there also he can prove that while giving consent, I was of unsound mind. I could not understand the terms or conditions of the contract. I simply consented. Now I don't want to follow it. There also he can prove, but the responsibility will be on the person who is claiming himself to be a lunatic. Okay. Yes. So these were the concepts which we had from Unit 4. Hey, before we continue, I wanted to inform you about my live mentorship program for LLB students or law aspirants. Law subjects and law topics need detailed clarity. We get that with the help of cases, examples, and detailed explanation. It's definitely not possible to include everything in these short videos. If you find my videos easy to understand and you are looking for some professional help in preparing for your examination, you can join my live mentorship program. Here you will be getting exam tips, answer writing skills, detailed notes that you can refer for your examination, cases, examples, and in a very easy way topics will be explained. I have live classes going on for a lot of subjects as of now. To know more about it, you can drop me a message on this WhatsApp number. I'm also helping a lot of students in writing their assignments. If you need any such help or for any queries, any suggestions, you can drop me a message on this WhatsApp number. And now let's continue with our video.